Hello and warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services. Hope all is well. Inside these tutorials, we are going to look at how to move YouTube channel from one Gmail account onto another Gmail account. Work with me, follow closely as we go through. Before we get started, make sure you have these three things available. First is a browser. It could be Chrome, Brave, Kiwi, Phoenix, or any convenient browser. Alright, second is a strong internet connection to make the process fast and secured. Third is a new email account of which you want to remove the YouTube channel onto. Now let's get started. But before we go into, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also tap on the notification bell to be alarmed whenever we drop new videos. Let's go. You launch the Google Chrome app. When you launch the Google Chrome app, what you must do first is type google.com. google.com. This is going to be the page. Now, you have the chance or you have the opportunity to freeze your YouTube Studio app on your phone. If you are having the YouTube Studio app on your phone, please make sure you get a freezer. You can download freezer from uh, Play Store or App Store, and if your phone is having a freezer, you can also freeze the app. All right, let's go. So here you just sign in with the account that you want to move the channel onto, or you want to move the channel from. Okay, so this is the account having the channel now. All right, so this is it. Then you search for YouTube Studio right here. YouTube Studio right here. Searching for YouTube Studio, this is going to pop up. Then you press hold. Okay, press hold, then tap on open in a new tab. Open in a new tab. So you switch the tab here. We are going to operate on this tab. All right, so our YouTube Studio is set. But take note, take note, before you can move a channel from the Gmail account, the channel must be a brand account. So how do you create a brand account? Follow me closely. What we are going to do first is to tap on these three lines here. Let me use an arrow to show the three lines. So here is the three lines. Here is it. So you tap on it. You can also use your two hands to zoom, okay, to pinch in and display. So the when tap on the three lines is going to display the menu. You scroll down, you can see settings here. You will see settings there. So just tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just go to channel. After going to channel, come to advanced. Then scroll downwards. Scroll downwards. You're going to see manage YouTube account. So you press hold it and tap in open a new tab. Open a new tab. So every time, please press hold and release your hands. Let's say 3 seconds. Release your hands. You are going to see open a new tab. Then you tap on the tab that you press hold. I said let our internet connection to be strong to make this process successful. Now when you get here under account, you are going to see manage or add or manage YouTube channel right here, or channels. So you tap on that. We should have press hold it. We should have press hold, but it's okay. It's okay for us. So now we have create a YouTube channel or create a channel right here. Create a channel right here. So let's press hold this and open in a new tab. And open in a new tab. So we are doing everything in a new tab to make our process great. Okay, to make our process great. When you get here, please tap on these three lines. The top one, not here, here, and set to desktop site. Desktop site. Alright, so after setting to desktop site, you could see that the channel is going to appear. Okay, the channel is going to appear when set to desktop site. So this is the trick you need to know. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Let's go. So here you can actually give the same name to the channel, but we don't want it that way. Let's make it tutorials tutorials transfer. Okay, so let's change the name and make it transfer tutorials channel. Okay, so the name is nice. All right, for a YouTube channel. Anyway, let's get into. You make sure you take this. You make sure you take this. Initially, it wasn't tick, so you make sure you take I understand to display the create section. Then you press hold the create, or here you tap on the create. You tap on the create. So we make our internet connection strong to make this great. Okay, to make this great. All right, so it's because we are having the YouTube channel up on the phone. That's why it is going to appear in this way. Okay, so let's set to desktop site again. Let's set to desktop site again. We are actually done creating our YouTube channel. Okay, we are actually done creating the YouTube channel. So you see, we are having the account here. We are having the account here. So now we are done creating our brand account. Let's go to our studio, YouTube studio. So right here, you just tap here, the T button there. So the initial is going to be your account. Okay, so then uh you press hold. Okay, you press hold the YouTube studio, then open in a new tab so that we have another set tabs here. Okay, so this is going to taking us to our YouTube studio. So you see we have welcome to YouTube studio. So you tap continue because it's new here, so it's showing us the interface of the studio. All right, so this is the YouTube studio of our brand account. But you know what do we do here? We have to uh switch to the channel or the account of which we want to do the transfer. Okay, so you just zoom and tap on this initial there. It might be any number at all, so it will appear here. Maybe some may have pictures. All right, so you go to switch account. All right, so if you tap on switch account, you have the account here. So let's go back. You remember the profile, so let's head back there. All right, so after switching account, it will just pop up as it does normally because we are having the YouTube studio, we are having the YouTube app on the phone. That's why it normally does that. But don't worry, just hold your phone. Everything is going to be okay. Okay, as we have been doing. All right, thank you here. So if you want to move a channel onto a brand account, please make sure the brand account is new. Or if you if you transfer your channel onto a brand account that has been already established, it means that everything on that brand account, including the likes, everything is going to be out and you are going to lose everything. So make sure the brand account is new. Thank you guys. Now let's go back again. So we are doing the same process. Okay, so we go to settings again. Then we go to channel. Okay, we go to channel, then we go to advanced advanced then we go to manage YouTube account. So you press hold and open it in a new tab to make the process easy. Okay, so the best way is to open it in a new tab to be getting the tabs available for you. So here under the same channel, you just tap on view or advanced. So let's go back to settings here. So you tap here view advanced setting, where my pointer is view advanced settings. So you just tap on view advanced settings. Then what are you going to do here? You see we have move channel to a brand account, move channel to a brand account, move channel to a brand account. So here is it, move channel to a brand account, move channel to a brand account. So you tap on it. Oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to preview the page. I Okay, so you tap on it, move channel to a brand account. So it is going to displaying uh, a question for you to be stable and also answer before you can proceed with it. So we are using our phone. So to ensure that the email or the Gmail is for us, it is providing us the chance to enter our password. Let's do that. So after we have been able to sign in, it is going to pop up here. So this is a new page it will take us to. So it means the option is taking us onto a new tab. So you have to be careful. Okay, you got to be careful. So here we have replace over here. Just tap on replace. So after tapping on replace, you just take here I understand, so that they will remove everything as I said. So you make sure the brand channel is a new account. So you tap delete channel. So everything on the brand account will be deleted before it will have the opportunity to move everything onto it. Okay, to move everything onto it. So we are now going to head back to our YouTube Studio app. So you just tap on the profile again, then go to YouTube Studio, Creator Studio. All right, so we are done transferring everything there. Okay, we are done transferring everything there. So after heading back to our YouTube Studio, that's the brand channel. You could see the one subscriber that was on the other channel has been moved here, and you can see the icon, the logo. So if there was any video too, we are going to have the video here. So now let's look at how we can move this channel onto a new YouTube channel or onto a new email account. So you go back to the three lines there. Alright, so let me zoom these three lines to display the menu. Alright, so after displaying the menu, you go back to settings again. Here we are not going back to channels, we are going to permission. All right, so if you create a brand channel, this will help show this manage permission. Okay, that is the importance of the brand channel. That's the importance of the brand channel. All right, so you open in a new tab as we have been doing, so when you get here, you make sure you set your desktop size. You set to desktop size. Okay, you set to desktop size to make everything great. Then you go to manage permissions. Okay, so if you go to manage permission. Okay, so this is loading. We need to input our password again because we are using the keypad. We are using the smartphone, that's why. Okay, that's why, because Google need to verify that we are the same person using the account. So let's tap next right after entering. So Google want to complete another uh so Google is done. So let's tap on manage permission again. So this is where you can add another person or another email account. So you just tap here to input the email. So let's let's get back again. So here is the icon, that human icon. Here you tap on it, then you input the email. So let's say no, let me recheck. All right, so So here is the email. Here is the email. Because you are using uh Android, you need to be careful. And also you need to be careful about the email you are using. Okay, about the email you are using. Make sure you know the person. Don't just use someone's email or else you'll be hacked. Okay, you'll be hacked. Okay, so let's zoom this more and reset the row. Reset the row. For the first time, uh you can set the row as owner. Okay, you can set as owner now, but set as manager. Okay, set as manager. I will tell you why. I will tell you why. So you set as manager, and all right, so invitation sent. So you tap done. Okay, you tap done, then you go back to the Gmail account. The Gmail account. So let's head into the Gmail account. So you see we have the invitation here. We have the invitation here from YouTube. Okay, so accept invitation. Accept invitation. All right, so you will accept invitation as, all right, so invitation has been accepted. So he is having control of the channel. Okay, he's having control of the channel. That the new email is also having control over the channel. Is also having control over the channel. So let's head back onto Google Chrome. Then you just refresh the page. Okay, you just refresh the page. You just refresh the page so that the settings will be entered. So let's tap on manage permissions again. So you will see he's now the owner, or he's now the manager. Okay, he's now the manager. All right, so here is where I'm going to uh end you guys, but remember something here. You have to come back 7 days. One policy of Google is that before a new email can become the owner of the channel, that email must be on the service or must be on the account for 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days, you just come back, then you set the account to primary owner. Okay, primary owner. You could see something displayed. I want us to read that. Okay, so make live live score highlight the primary owner. As a primary owner, live score can add and delete, so you can do everything. But the reason why it's not working is that you can be the owner. Okay, you can make owner, but making it the primary owner, it must be on the channel for 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days, you make it the primary owner. Then you tap on these times here to delete your email from the channel. To delete your email from the channel. So this is quickly step by step how to go about it, moving your YouTube channel from one email onto another email using your smartphone. Please, if this tutorials was helpful, help grow this channel by subscribing to this channel, liking, and also sharing with your friends that may need this video. All right, guys, we have another big question to answer. Is the process involved in moving YouTube channel channel from one email to another email complicated? Let's hear from you in the description section. I'm out.